Today is Sunday. It's about, oh no, my gosh, it's Saturday. It's 6:30. I just took a shower and we're getting ready for our day. Going to Nashville. Just doing my skincare. I'm just gonna slick my hair back in a ponytail because I'm gonna be wearing a hat. Okay, so first of all, it's gonna be really hot today in Nashville. So I'm not even gonna try to mess around and have my hair down. So we're gonna slick it down into a pony. And then tonight I'm wearing a hat when we go to the game. So I'm just gonna throw a hat over the pony anyways. I wanna find a good styling mousse that helps me sleek down my hair. I always struggle. I don't think my hair is unruly, but it's just so hard for me to sleek my hair back. Do you have any good recommendations for like a mousse or product that helps with this? Let me know, please. Hey friends, so we got on the road. It's about to be 8 o'clock. We're like 30 minutes into our drive and I realized that I forgot my bag. So like my bag has all my makeup in it, my outfit that I'm changing into, my wallet. And so I'm debating like, do I need it? Because we're 30 minutes from home, that's 30 minutes back. We'd literally be adding on an hour. I'm so mad. For whatever reason, God is guiding us back here. So we're going to get my bag and we're gonna get back on the road. Sorry, babe.
Yeah.
Freaking A. We're gonna be a little behind. We were gonna get there at 10, so now we're probably gonna get there at 11. I mean, we have the whole day. The game is not till 6. So we're just gonna do our best to make up the time and get there as quickly as we can. Getting to the city of Nashville. The drive felt really long, but I think it was just because we had to drive back home. That took like an extra hour. Definitely ready to get out and explore. Our first stop is this coffee shop. Wow, look at that building. Oh, both of those buildings, pretty cool. We love windows. So the first place we're going is this place called No Free Coffee. My husband found it on Instagram. Tell us about this place, babe.
Yeah, I heard about No Free Coffee probably about 2 years now. At the time, they didn't have a location. They would just do pop-ups in New York, LA. They actually did some in Nashville because I think the owner is from Nashville. So I remember they did a few in Nashville, and yeah, they just opened up their first location, if I'm not mistaken, like a month ago or sometime this summer. I heard great reviews about their coffee. They make a lot of cool merch, like hoodies, t-shirts, just their logo and everything. So that's pretty much what I know about them. And yeah, we'll see what the coffee's like.
We'll see if the hype is real. We do love a good vibe. Damn, there's a train. We do love a good coffee shop vibe, but more importantly, the taste and quality of the coffee is very important to us. So, review coming soon. We are 1 minute away. Wow.
What's up? What's up? Yeah, good.
Oh, right. Checking out this boutique that's nearby the coffee shop. It's pretty nice in here. Very modern. We got our coffees. We'll review this for you once we get back in the car.
Classic. I think they made these like a little higher. These are cool.
Those are fun. I've never seen those before.
Have you seen Saponis?
Well, I mean, I never knew what they were.
These are comfortable.
Okay, friends, we got our coffee. They didn't have any sort of, well, they didn't have oat milk because of the recent recall, which I understand. They didn't have any sort of sweetened flavors, which is definitely our vibe. We like caramel. This time of year, I would love some pumpkin, you know. I want to talk about the different types of coffee shops out there. I feel like some coffee shops are like anti-frilly drink. I feel like this was one of those.
Yeah.
How do you not carry any sort of sweetened flavors, you know? Like, that's very anti-sweet coffee drinkers. We don't like it the sweetest. Like,
yeah.
We don't like frappuccinos.
We like a balance. Definitely like a balance.
So yeah, I feel like that's like a statement when a shop doesn't have flavors. It's like, we're not that type of coffee shop. Mm-hmm. The vibe was great. It was a beautiful coffee shop. Like, the space was really cool.
Yeah, they were cool.
Yeah, the owner was there. He was really nice. So I gotta figure out how we're gonna sweeten this.
Definitely need to sweeten it. It's kind of difficult to drink right now. So it's gonna take us sweeten it for sure.
But like, you know, a real coffee drinker, I feel like we're coffee drinkers, so I don't want to like downplay us, but I don't know. But either way, he was nice. The coffee shop was nice. I can drink the coffee. I'm not totally loving it, so we'll see if we could figure out how to spice it up. Okay, it is 11:45. I think our next stop is
Thrift.
We're going to Thrift. We're gonna check out Buffalo. There's a couple other little like vintage shops we're gonna check out as well. I'm not familiar with the area, so hopefully they're like near each other. But I'm really excited to be here. I think we have a lot of time. It's warm, like it's 90 degrees, but it's not humid. I'm loving that. I put on a little makeup, you know. So yeah, we'll check in when we go to our first vintage store with hopefully Buffalo. But we'll show you guys, we'll bring you along for our Nashville adventures. The Nashes are in Nashville.
Nashes take over Nashville. Don't take over, but yeah, we're in Nashville.
My family calls us Nashville, so it's actually really cute that we're here. Like, my dad started it, I think, but now my whole family, like my sister, they all call us Nashville. Like, hey, Nashville. Which is so cute. So I'm excited. I've been wanting to come here. He's been here before, but
it's been a long time. I've been honestly dying to come back here for a while now, just knowing how close it is and just hearing how much it's grown. Because yeah, when I used to come when I was younger, I thought it was nice then, and since then I've heard it's just become, the city has blown up with a lot of different things to do and to check out. So been hearing a lot of good things, and so far it's been nice. I mean, we just got here, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, like this building that we went into, it's above or below like an apartment complex, and it was, as soon as we walk in, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so nice. They had like, it was very modern. You can tell everything was really new and nice. There was like a bar, a little bodega. That boutique store we went into had like sneakers and stuff. So it just, so far I'm impressed. It's really nice. But yeah, we'll get into the city and bring you guys along.
Yep. Check in with you guys later on our next stop.
Nash's in Nashville. Got to Buffalo Exchange. We stopped at Starbucks and I got like a side of milk and caramel drizzle for our coffee. Much better.
Much.
See what Buffalo Exchange is talking about. I always start with the dresses. Let's go. Oh, let's look at the long ones first. I've been into maxi dresses this summer and I feel like it's a good fall transition. That looks comfortable. I'm not really a green girl, but you know, we're trying new things. Oh, this is from H&M. It kind of looks like a muumuu, but it's also kind of cute. We'll see. Very vintage. This looks like ASOS. I knew it was ASOS. the restaurant. All right, we're looking for the restaurant. We just got to Virgin Hotel. We're looking for the restaurant, but oh yeah, it looks just like some day party stuff. We found the restaurant. We didn't really know it was like a day party situation, but we're right by the DJ, and it's like a whole little vibe up here. Rooftop pool. Chicken and waffle. My husband got a breakfast wrap. And then we got a couple of 0 proof drinks. I got a kiwi and my husband got lavender. So that's to eat, enjoy our view. And the DJ, he's actually doing this. Okay, wow. Definitely impressed with that rooftop spot. Leave it to my husband to find.
The vibes, the spots. It was really good. The mocktails was really good.
Amazing mocktails. Food was good. The vibe. I didn't know we were gonna go to a little day party, but it was.
The DJ was on.
DJ was like amazing.
On point.
Like all of the decor. Those lights are so neat. All right, gotta find the bathroom. I want to do an OOTD while I'm in this bathroom. So this top is a part of a set from Boohoo. This skirt is from H&M. This bag is 9 West. I thrifted it at Plato's. And the Mighty Balances. Pretty cute. So we just left this store called Rooted. It's like a little boutique store. And we're in there looking around, and in walks Wale. My husband heard his voice and he's like, that's Wale. And I'm like, he was just in there shopping. Pretty crazy.
It was pretty random, like, just trying to be in there. Just walked in, looked around, went to the fitting room, just chilling. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, it was very random, but cool experience. They had really great customer service in there too.
Yeah, they were really nice. A lot of times boutiques like
They
that.
are not friendly.
Yeah, like, I don't know how to describe a boutique like that, but they have like a few designer brands, Stussy, that sort of store. A lot of times they're not the nicest, but they were really cool. Had conversation with us and everything. So my husband got a shirt. Yeah, where are we going next, babe?
Next, we're going to a thrift store called Starstruck Vintage.
Let's go.
We are currently at a spot called Vinyl Tap. It's basically a record store where they have, I think, just live shows, but they also specialize in beer. So Vinyl Tap. So yeah, basically you can walk around drinking beer. So come to check it out. First time I've been hearing about it. I've been seeing different videos. So should be cool.
Hey friends, so we left out of the game a little bit early, like around the third quarter. It was just hot. Honestly, like as a Cardinals fan, we have a dome in Arizona with AC, and like here it was an open stadium, there were bugs, it was hot, so we weren't the most comfortable. So anyways, we came to get some tacos at this place called The Local Taco. Just getting some food before we hit the road. Okay, so this is not a Mexican restaurant by any means. There's not a single Mexican soul in this building. But my husband got some tacos. I got a quesadilla. Southern tacos. We'll see. Morning, friends. Happy Sunday. So I don't think I've vlogged since yesterday after we got tacos in Nashville. We had planned on staying the night, but ended up coming home instead. It is like a 2.5 hour drive, so not the worst. Honestly, our plan was just to base it off of how we felt. If we were up to driving, we were going to. If not, then we were going to stay the night. So we got home pretty late, like a little after 11. Tacos, quesadilla last night, pretty nasty, but I suspected it to be. It's been a pretty low-key morning. We slept in, made some breakfast, and just have been kind of laying around a little bit. Hi friends, happy Monday. So I just wanted to come on here and close out this video so that I could start a new one. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us this weekend and our little trip to Nashville. We had a really great time. It was a really beautiful city. We did a lot, of course, and we really enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed hanging out with us, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos to come soon, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.